Hey guys, good morning. It is Monday today. I thought I would film a vlog. I'm about to have some coffee. It's like 7:45 and I feel like I'm half asleep and I have no concealer on. I don't know how, but I skipped that step when I was getting ready, so it's gonna be a good day. So the creamer I use is always an almond milk one, and this one is just silk almond milk, plain vanilla. And then every morning I will just make a lemon water, and I keep refilling this throughout the whole day. I feel like if I have a water in front of me, then I will drink so much water, but if I don't, then I forget, so I always do that. So it's 10 in the morning and I changed already into a sweatshirt because that other sweater I was wearing was really cute but so scratchy and itchy. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys a rug I bought online last night for my office. I used to have this rug in there and I love this rug, but it was a little small for the room and it looked kind of awkward. So I've been meaning to get something different and I really liked this. Hopefully you guys will get a good idea from the photos what it looks like, but I thought since it's extremely neutral, it's something I could put in a few rooms if I don't want it in my office eventually, so that should be here in a few days. Okay, I've been asked a few times if I would talk about what I eat and do one of those videos, like those food diary videos where people talk about what they eat from when they wake up until when they go to bed in one day. And obviously it's way different every day, or I don't know if that is obvious, but I have like way different foods every day. Anyways, I think it was like 3 or 4 months ago I decided I would go on a wheat-free, flour-free diet. So that is the gluten-free diet. And honestly, I have never felt so like high energy, and I for sure haven't had my skin look this good in forever, and I totally think they are linked. It's not something that I think of course is like for everybody, but for me it has made a huge difference. I honestly just feel so different. Like I feel like I work out because I have so much energy and I want to burn it off instead of feeling like, oh, I have to work out. It's like I feel like I have to so I can get out like how much energy I have, if that kind of makes sense. So I might talk about it in like another video in detail, but for my skin, for my energy, just like for my mood, I honestly think it makes a huge difference. Some people have food allergies, some people don't. Like food affects everyone so differently, so I'm not saying it's like the answer for everybody, but it has really made a huge difference for me, and I totally thought that it really wouldn't do anything, and then once it did, I was like so surprised. So yeah, I definitely recommend it. And there are a lot of products like you wouldn't even notice are for gluten-free people. Right now I'm making a sandwich with this Udi's bread. This is the white, soft white. It's like their brand new bread and it tastes like real bread to me. And there's a pasta with brown rice. Let me show you. For gluten-free pasta, I definitely recommend a brown rice pasta. This one has cauliflower too. It's by Solaire. Solaire, I don't know. It looks like this. It's from Costco. And if you don't have a brown rice pasta for gluten-free, it's a corn-based pasta, and those just stick together and they do not taste good. But I honestly think this tastes like regular pasta, so love that. But I'm just making a turkey sandwich with a little Munster cheese and regular mustard. And is that it? And then some tomatoes, which need to wash these. I feel like I look so scary without having some concealer on. I don't even know how I skipped that step on accident. As soon as I was finished with like all of my makeup and I had powder on, then I realized it, and obviously once you have powder on, there's no turning back. So I think I've shown you guys everything I've ate so far today, although I am on my second cup. I think I had some gluten this weekend on accident though, or I did for sure, I think, because I ordered a Caesar salad and they put the croutons on top and I forgot to ask for it without that, so I just picked them off because it pretty much was my own fault. And I woke up this morning just feeling so sleepy and tired and sluggish, which I had plenty of sleep, so there's no reason for that. And whenever I have it, since I haven't been eating it, I feel like this. So I don't know, it's one of those things that it just has made such a big difference for me. And food is the only thing I've ever talked about here on YouTube that people get like so mad about, which I don't understand, because I'm not saying that it's for everyone, but it has made like the biggest difference for me. So I'm gonna flip you around to show you this. Here's what I'm having for lunch. Obviously doesn't look that appetizing, but I'm so tired that I just really don't have the energy to make anything else. So I'm just having tomatoes and a simple sandwich. This is the bread. I keep it in the freezer and then I just pop it in the toaster whenever I'm ready for it. I really like this. I tried it for the first time I think it was yesterday morning, and I really like this. For those of you guys that like the home updates, I thought I'd show you our new floors. We've only had them for a few days and I love them so much. It doesn't even look exactly how it does in person on camera, but it's pretty similar. And it's only done in like the first half of the house. It's not done in the smaller bedrooms or the hallway. Right now it's about 3 o'clock and I'm making a snack really quickly. I'm just having one banana with sun butter and sunflower. Sun butter is made from sunflower seeds and it is so good. It's way better than regular peanut butter. And yeah, I'm just gonna put that on there. Tacos right now. I thought I would show you guys. Since it's just me having it, it's like a super lazy version. It's not that pretty, but I promise it tastes good. And I'm having these tortillas. I haven't had these before, but they're supposed to be soft. So hopefully these are good. Right now I'm watching Chad put in the new floor. Here's the after and there's the during. But anyways, I wanted to show you the Fitbit band I just got from Amazon. I will link it. This was, I think, $11, somewhere around there for the rose gold band, and I'm obsessed with it. Let me show you guys, like, so I'm wearing the small size. I totally recommend the small if you think you're like right in the middle of small and medium, because I don't have like extremely small wrists and it goes all the way here, like all the way at the start of it. Rose gold just looks so much nicer with like an outfit instead of having the huge rubber band, and it just like stands out. And I feel like the rose gold like sort of styles with the rest of the accessories that I wear. It like fits in, so I love that. Right now I'm about to work out. I've had a few people ask if I would like film a workout, so I figured I would just do like a montage of it. I don't really do anything like extreme or anything, but I guess you guys wanted to see it. But I'm wearing this sweatshirt from Target and it has like these polka dots on it, and I really love this. I think it's so cute. It has holes on the elbow, and I'm just like hoping I will sweat a lot. That's why I'm wearing a pair of pants and a sweatshirt. And these are also from Target, and they have a mesh strip on the thigh and then on the shin, and I'm wearing Roche, I think that's how you say it, Roche Nikes. And yeah, that's it. That was only like 35-40 minutes, but at least I did it. going to end this video here. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to subscribe and thumbs up. If you have a video request or anything you want to see on my channel, then definitely write it in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!